Hi there, this is Ruben and this is Ship Stories number 53. Today I'm on board the Moby ferry from Piombino in Tuscany to Portoferraio on the island of Elba. I'm on holiday and I'm enjoying the nice sun. There is a slight wavy movement, and this is a rather old ferry, but it's been very well maintained, and I've seen this ferry very often in the harbor of Genoa, where they repair and do the maintenance of these ferries. This ferry is also equipped with a scrubber system. As you can see, there is hardly any smoke coming, so it's a rather clean trip. So I have a very good cameraman today, and thank you very much. See you next week.